Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I have another one of Laura's quick tips, and this one I thought was super appropriate around Valentine's Day because we're going to talk a little bit about kissing. So today I just wanted to share with you about kissing your ink pad rather than smashing into your ink pad. So we just want to remember to do a light kiss to the ink pad with our stamps, like a small little tap, 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 just a little, peck on the cheek, a little light kiss for that nice, even amount of ink. We don't want to be doing CPR with the ink pad and smashing it in. You'll notice when you smash it in, do you see all those little hearts on this ink pad? That is when you smash it in, because this also happens. So I'm, giving CPR, and look at that. Do you see that there? And then whenever I go to stamp, look how it's lighter. How is that even possible is what you might be thinking. So I came up with a little trick to show you guys. Here I just have a baggie of hair gel with some dye in it, and I just wanted to share with you, whenever I press really lightly and just kiss the top of it, just a little tap, 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 nothing happens with that hair gel. It's all still in that same spot. Now if I press really hard, okay, well it's a little wiggly because of the fact that it's plastic, but if I press really hard, look what happens. You press all the ink to the side and you have no ink on your actual finger or stamp, if you will. So you don't want to press really hard and give CPR to the ink pad. You just want to do a light little kiss, little tap, tap, tap. I don't know, I tend to tap all around just to get, nice even coverage of ink from the stamp set rather than always picking up ink from the center or, wherever it might be. So I always just kind of do just a little tap, tap, tap all around, and then I stamp down. I don't give CPR because otherwise it just squishes all the ink off to the sides. So there's a way to fix this, so have no fear. Start kissing your ink pad rather than giving CPR to your ink pad. The other thing to do is to just take a plastic spoon and evening that ink back out. So it's almost like you're, icing a cake or something. And when you do that, you just even that ink back out and smush it back around. And of course, this stamp ink pad probably could use a little bit more actual re-inker. So you can always just do that. You can always re-ink just in those spots that you smushed around a little bit too much. And then you have that nice look again. And again, you can always smush the ink pad around just to spread out that ink so it's not just in certain areas. So again, you don't want ink all over your block and then have inky fingers and everything else. You just want to lightly kiss the ink pad for that perfect coverage and not give CPR to the ink pad for coverage all over the clear block, but not actually on the stamp. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little tutorial and Laura's quick tips on the best way to ink up your stamp so that you have nice even coverage. 'Tis the season of Valentine's Day and the month of love, so let's do more kissing on our ink pad and less CPR. It's not dead, I promise. You can always get more too. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new and check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for more fabulous tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.